Hello, Paul Hamilton for iPad Monthly, our final lesson on coding, the special coding edition, and we're looking at Hopscotch. For this lesson idea, we're looking at students creating a short animation that explains a scientific concept. In this tutorial, we're looking at kind of gravity and forces, but you can get your kids to apply this or these skills to any sort of scientific concept. So let's make a start. We're going to start with a blank project. And we're going to bring over a character. Let's bring over the bear. He's got his hand out, and what the bear's going to do is throw a ball up and down and explain what's happening with gravity and forces. So basically, we're going to bring in another character by hitting the plus at the top. And this time we're going to bring in text. And what we're going to do is hit our little emojis on the keyboard and bring in the tennis ball. So that's one way of getting graphics and so forth into your Hopscotch projects without actually bringing in actual image files and so forth. So let's start with the ball and get the ball going up and down on an iPad press. So I'm going to add a rule to the ball, and we're going to say when iPad is tapped, we're actually going to go to movement, and the first thing we want our ball to do is go up because that's a change by Y. So I'll bring over change by Y, and let's make it go up, let's say 200. And then we're going to hit the ticky box and we're going to get it to go down. Change by Y again, and this time work in integers and go minus 300. So it's going to go a little bit further than the hand. And we always get our kids to test. So what we actually do there is let's press test, tap on the screen, ball goes up and down. What we can do is apply some speeds as well. So we might put our set speed at the top here and set that at 200 going up slow, and then set our speed going down a little bit faster, so 300. Let's see how that looks. Tap screen and it goes up and then a bit further down. So that's really the concept that we're trying to do. Then we can actually edit and apply a couple of abilities to our bear. So what we might do is when the iPad is tapped, we might actually make it a little bit of a sound. So we can actually, where are we? We might play a sound. So we shall start sound and make it a little whoosh and then wait. And then we might actually set some text there as well. And actually this is where we can do some explaining. So we can actually get our kids to actually explain a few things. So it might be, this is gravity. I'll get the kids to explain it in a little bit more detail. So let's press play and see how it goes. And tap, and there you go.